Good morning. It's a brisk 55-degree morning. Really didn't want to get out of bed, but we have a pretty easy day today, starting this early, 13 miles to beach campsite. So we're gonna try to get there at a nice pace today. And yeah, otherwise the campsite last night, I stayed at Bly Gap. It was nice. There was a few hikers that came in late, being a little noisy, but it's okay. It was pretty cold last night, really windy, but from the sunburn yesterday, it was still nice and warm. So we're gonna warm up a bit, probably shed some layers pretty quickly, and get going. So talk to you in a bit. A little early in the morning for this. Well, that was a good early morning workout. I think we might have to stop here already and start removing layers. Whew. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, just coming down from that ridge right now. Man, that was a lot for the morning. It's 9:50 right now. I think it took almost an hour, but it was just shy of 1,400 foot elevation gain, and it was rocky, but we'll call it fun. So we're heading down now. Gave us a chance to really warm up. I am down to literally the layers I hike with at noon. The beanie came off, the gloves came off, the fleece came off very quickly. So let's keep going. We are getting considerably better water sources here in North Carolina than Georgia. And I mean, we've barely crossed the border. So this is really nice. Today there was a pretty good stretch where we didn't have too much water, but tomorrow there is, I looked on Far Out, and there's so much water. But I really am still happy that I got this 1 liter Sea Knock. Originally I thought I had 2 1-liter smart water bottles, but they were like 675 milliliter. So I was only carrying like 1.3 liters at a time, and I was burning through water. So this is good. So we are a little less than 2 miles from Deep Gap parking lot, and I saw a comment about trail magic, or heard some people talking about it. I don't want to check myself because then it might not be real, and since I'm hungry, I'm gonna pretend there's food in 2 miles. Hello. Well, trail magic was a no-show, unfortunately. So we are off to beach campsite. And go ahead and get some food. Can't need there. It's amazing. Oh, we made it to the top of Standing Indian Mountain. And I think we only have 2.5 miles to the campsite. It's getting a little late. It's 3:30 right now. So we're gonna get a move on.